I'm Anil Kumar. In this list of videos, I've taken a few examples on difference and sum of cubes. So let's begin with a very simple one, and then we'll kind of add more complexity and see how to factor whenever sum and difference of cubes is involved. The question here is, express as product and simplify all factors. When we say express as product, these are given as sum or difference. When you write it as a product, it means you are factoring, correct? First one here is 8x whole cube minus 27y whole cube. The next one is 64x cube plus 1. So let's factor them one by one. The first one, 8x whole cube minus 27y cube. We could directly apply the formula. Let me write this formula as a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. We have exactly similar formula for plus also with slight difference. Just the sign changes, correct? So with plus, it is the sign which changes, correct? So think like minus b being replaced by plus b, right? So you get the same thing. Okay, now let's look into them one by one. The first one is 8x cube minus 27y cube. If you compare with this formula, a is 8x, b is 27y. So let's apply this formula a minus b. That means difference of these two terms, correct? Difference of these two terms. That is the first term for us. So the first term is 8x minus 27y, correct? Then we have a trinomial. Do you see that? First term square, product of both, then second term square. That is how you can remember. Square of the first term, 8x square means 8 times 8 is 64, x square. So that is the square of this term. Then we have to multiply them, right? So when you multiply them, 27 times 8, we can use the calculator. 27 times 8 equals to 216. So we'll write with a positive sign 216 xy, correct? Then square of this term, square of 27. So let's find square of 27. 27 square is equal to 729. So we have 729, and square of y is y square, correct? So that is the factored form. So it is direct application of the formula. I hope the step is absolutely clear, right? So that is how you should be actually factoring such difference of cubes. Now let's look into the second one here. Now second one, 64x cube. 64 could be written as cube of what? I think it is 4, right? So it could be written as 4x whole cube. And 1, of course, can be written as 1 cube, right? So now we have sum of cubes. So let's apply the sum of cubes formula and expand this one. So first term is their sum, which is 4x plus 1. And the second term is square them up, 16x squared. They multiply 4x, square the next term, which is 1. That is it. So applying difference or sum of cubes formula to factor is so simple. I hope that's easy, correct? So you can actually watch other videos also, practice sum and difference factoring. I'm Anil Kumar. You can share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.